We'll go down and see if me and the old man made enough of them. Today, we are gonna try to put a winch on this trailer. This is my new car trailer. I gave my other one to my cousin. He needed one, and I needed a different one. My FJ wouldn't fit on my old one, so I got this one. We're going to get a pretty cool car tomorrow, and I don't want to come along the thing on the trailer. So we're gonna try to put a winch right in this area right here. We gotta figure out how to mount it, bolt it down, put a battery up in this area, and then we should be good to go. Nothing flat, just got her done.
Let me explain. No, there is too much. Let me sum up.
Just figuring out where I want this exactly. I think right there is where I want it. Once you put the marks down, you can't go back. I'm gonna need you to drill that hole out, Randall, and I want to look exactly like that when you're done.
Not a perfect circle.
No, it needs
like
to be
that.
oblong like that.
I'll do my best.
All right, I'll drill them. Then we'll weld them in. Then we'll build that little, weld it to the bottom of there. This drill bit seems to be melting more than it's drilling. But hey, blue's a color, so it's all right.
As long as that one hole's oblong, you'll be fine.
I got it. As long as this bolts to the bottom of that winch when we're done, we're good. That's gonna be good. Let's go ahead and try this real quick.
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you didn't oblong that hole like I told you.
Well, it's on.
I'm welding her in. So I got a question for everybody. Are you guys pushers or pullers or side welders with MIG? I kind of do them all. I just pushed that whole one. I'm gonna go sideways with this one. Then I think I'm gonna drag that one. I don't know what's right because I taught myself how to do this, but tell us in the comments what you guys think. Which do you think looks better? That one's pushing, that one's sideways. Now I'm about to do a dragger. It's hard to tell.
It is hard to tell.
I don't know. I'll bet none of them fall off. Bill, where's your level?
Right there.
That's level with the trailer?
Yep. Made it on fire yet?
Yeah, I got all the paint burned off. Now I can weld it. Okay, now we just gotta go ahead and build that. And we're winched.
There's us a battery box. That'll do it. She fits. One more.
All right, today we're gonna run up to my dad's place and load up all the boards for this deck. Try to get this thing finished up this week and all my motors stacked back up here. We're gonna go get some boards. All right, there's all my boards. That's what's going on my deck. Let's load them. All right, last board. Loaded. We'll go down and see if me and the old man made enough of them. We cut them all on this old girl. It's an old bandsaw, and then the rest of this is trailer house tongues that we collected. It cuts pretty good wood, so go unload. All right, let's go see how this looks. Oh yeah. See anything wrong with that?
Looks like it ought to work.
I think we'll probably go right to there like that, and then just start going across it. We got Jace home from school, and I put him to work. Okay, hold it. Don't let it move. I'll get you some welding stuff. I'll hold it straight, and you weld it. So Jace is going to get this all welded up. I'm off to baseball practice. Graydon's got some practice I'm going to help with, and then hopefully when I get back, they got this handled. We'll see.
Well, Jace is welding this railing back on, and then we're gonna get some wood hammered down on there. Then we'll get these and start putting them down. Get her done. We're trying to ratchet this down tight so we can put some of these in and keep these boards from walking away from us.
Well, I think that'll work. We've got all of these boards screwed in, and then we ran out of screws.
These boys were just missing me. I show up and things are going fast now. All right, these boys are getting it. Got one little square left. We got a pile of firewood out of it, and we got a few boards left. Things are coming together in the old shop. It's gonna be good. We'll have this whipped up in no time. All right, I just had to come in and finish all this because Randall and Land were just kidding.
You only put like 3 boards in.
Just kidding. These boys worked hard and got it done. So now we just got to cut a straight line down this edge, put that piece up, and we'll have it. We got that thing handled. Boards are on it. I think we're ready to stack a few motors up there and call it good. One piece at a time. Shop's coming back together. It's getting closer all the time. All right, it's morning. We're in the shop again. We try to put something back together every morning before we get working on projects. Today, we got this balancer going in right here. We're gonna build shelves above it right up here. That's the plan. Randall's doing some cutting and measuring. We'll start welding stuff together and we'll have a shelf up there to put more stuff on and get it off the floor. All right, one shelf is put together. The other one, we need stuff. I gotta tack weld all of that mesh in, and we can start putting these things up on the wall. Randall, he's over here trimming mesh up. It's a fun job. Shelves going in. They're looking pretty fine. We're gonna come off of this, down to this, and then down to the corner of the floor is the game plan. All right, so shelf is built. Now we just gotta stack all our junk on there and get everything put up, and this side's done.
Papa Dar even come to inspect it to see if we were doing it right.
We'll find out if it falls down.
How you feeling?
All right.
Good.
They said I could start exercising it now.
Hey, that's a good thing.
Should work, right? 2 holes down. Little plasma cutting and we own it. Not too shabby. Cool, we'll grind the rest of that up. We got her.
Hey, I thought you quit cutting hair.
Family won't let me quit cutting hair.
Family won't let you quit, huh?
No. My sister's up there processing currently, so I gotta ask Paul a question. Okay, it's been real.
That was a quick little trip down
I got
to the
my
shop
question
back.
answered, so we're good.
See you later.
That's what I do, is solve problems. I blame Ben for this. I wanted to put 4-inch metal on here, but he is my older brother, so I listened to him. And here I am paying for it. Jace,
You got a job
I
for
got a
you.
job for you, your little skinny hands.
Skinny? About the same size as yours. Where do you got it?
I got my eyes closed, I'm concentrating. You can feel better.
Oh.
Eyes closed. Oh, that one. Oh, uh-oh.
He's using the force.
Feels like, no! That fell out. Alright, you just stay on standby. Because if I cramp up or something, I'm gonna need you.
Alright.
I'm getting old. I'm decrepit. Now I'm still tougher than you. How does that make a young pup like you feel? That's basically built. Build us a battery box. We're winching stuff. It's about time to be done for the day. Other than I can't be because I'm leaving at the butt crack of dawn. I guess that's gonna be the best place right there. Get the buffer out and buff a couple spots and weld it up. I think something like that And then I'll just weld my keeper thing off of that and off that. Perfect. She's there. Now all we gotta do is wire it up and we got ourselves one genuine winch. About to have a battery tie down. Now all we gotta do is find a piece of rod that'll fit between there. Tack weld it on, put some eyelets on the end of it, and that's a genuine battery tie down. I think what I'll do is cut those off right there, weld some nuts on the end of it, just put a piece of all thread right up through it, wing nut it down, and it should be good. Someone pulled the trigger while they were trying to push that in. That was smooth. I'll weld this thing together. We'll weld it down right there. And then we'll see if we can get the battery out. Landon's saying we can't.
Yeah, it looks like those are on like a V, sort of. Make it a little hard to get it out.
Landon's seeing a problem with it.
He's saying no bueno.
That's at least what I'm saying.
You'll have to tell us in the comments if Lando's right or if his old man's right.
We're about to find out. She's built. Battery strapped. Well, that comes off.
It looked like it was gonna be hard.
My first day.
Yeah. Nailed her.
All right, battery cable, and then test, I guess. See if it does some winching stuff. Today seems like it's gone by awful fast. You know what?
It's rolling right along.
Started out building front ends, ended up building winches.
I don't think you're building the winch. You're just building what it sits on.
Maybe I manufactured that. Does anyone else have teenagers?
Throw him out of here.
Oh,
I bet there's a few people that watch that have teenagers.
I hear like 23, they come back to normal. We'll see, I guess. Woo, it made some noises. All right, we're winched. We are currently ready to go pull on a sweet ride tomorrow. You guys are gonna dig it. I kind of got some ideas going on in my brain of what I want to turn it into. We looked on the internet and we could only find one kind of them, and we're gonna build the direct opposite of that. So it'll be like that for you guys, and you'll see it, us loading on the trailer, but I gotta wait like, I don't know, how long? Sleep plus drive, like 9 hours. So until then, we're done.